Hello boys, the car parking multiplayer new beta update just dropped. This time, the developers felt a bit lazy, so they only added one car to the game. But before we get into the video and show you guys everything else they added, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment shout out. Okay, so the only car they've added this update is a 2026 electric Mercedes SUV. It comes with 542 horsepower as stock, has an openable and closable bonnet and boot, as well as 4 doors and a beautiful cream white interior. On the game store, this car costs 2,500 coins, which isn't too bad compared to some of the ridiculous prices we've had before. The new Mercedes has 5 different spoilers, 2 different color grills, which are silver and black, 3 air intakes, as well as a ski box and a roof rack.
Nice.
Unfortunately, we didn't get any new house, no new map locations, as well as no classic or parody modes. One of the improvements I'm excited about on this new update is the new ragdoll character movements. So basically, when we crash, the character will lean towards the steering wheel. And the whole point of this is to make the crash look more realistic when you're using a car with no roof or first-person camera. We've also got some new racing outfits for both the male and female characters. Each outfit costs 1,000 coins, and helmets cost 300 coins. The Koenigsegg Agera have been remodeled. For example, it has new lights now, some visible engine springs at the back, open doors, trunk, and the hood. In general, this car just looks a lot better now. It has a lot more details, also looks a lot more aggressive. The interior is now no longer blue, and it has a mini map screen with some beautiful, flawless red finishes and carbon fiber on the doors.
Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber.
They've also finally added body kits for this car. Most of them cost coins, and you can't buy some of them if you don't have the premium pass. My personal favorite body kits for this car is this one that doesn't have a roof. It looks sick. It'd be awesome if they'd add this body kits for both the Supras. By the way, boys, if you've made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are. On the patch notes, the devs said that they've done some game optimization and bug fixes. And looks like they forgot to say that they've added new car sounds for the Agera Koenigsegg and the F1.